Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to import fonts in Alight Motion, and the process is pretty much the same whether you're using an Android or iOS device. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite browser in your iPhone or Android. I am downloading Mr. Beast font. Choice is yours. You can download any font you want. Then click on the first link. Once it is opened, then click on Media. Remove the ads that disturb during this process. It will show you a category of fonts. Scroll through the list until you find Mr. Beast fonts. Once you have found it, click on it. There are two types of fonts that Mr. Beast use. Download the one you like. After you have clicked on the download button, a little pop-up will appear in the bottom. Click on Download. It will start downloading. Fonts are usually very small files. Once it is downloaded, click on Open in. To save it in your files, click on the top arrow button. Then click on Save to Files. Then choose the place where you want to save the font. I am saving it on my iPhone folder. Then click on Save. After this, close your browser. Then open Files app. Then open the folder where you downloaded the font. Now, on Android, you'll need to find a similar app for iOS devices. Search for the downloaded font, and you might encounter a zip file. We don't want that, so let's decompress it. Depending on your device, you might need to hold down the file and select Extract or Decompress. Once done, you'll see all the individual font files. Now, close the Files app. Then open the Alight Motion app. Once it is opened, click on the bottom plus button. Then select the aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate, and background color. After customizing, click on Create Project. After this, click on bottom right plus button. Then click on Text section. After this, add your text. Then click on Top Font section. Then click on View All Fonts. Then it will show you a list of fonts. Then click on the 3 lines button. Then click on Import Font button. Then locate the font from the Files app. After this, open the font folder. Then click on All Files you can select. I can select only one, so I will select it. After selecting it, click on Open. As you can see, that font is successfully added. And there you have it, folks. That's how you import fonts in Alight Motion on both Android and iOS devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.